Hey RC fanatics! Welcome back to RRC Remote Adventures, your go-to spot for the latest and greatest in RC action. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our fresh RC content every single week. Today, we've got something epic, the ARRMA TYPHON MEGA 665 4x4. This beast is ready to tear up the terrain, so buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive in. The TYPHON MEGA 665 is an 8th scale brushed buggy built for big air, high speed, and serious durability. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced basher, this thing is built to impress. What makes this version special? Well, it's got a high-speed Mega 665 brushed motor that's 11% larger than its predecessor, meaning more power and more fun. Plus, it's brushless-ready, so if you ever want to take it up a notch, upgrading is a breeze. The TYPHON MEGA 665 is built to handle any terrain. It's got an all-terrain independent suspension and oil-filled coilover shocks that soak up the bumps like a pro. And let's talk about those D-Boots 2HO tires. They grip like crazy on dirt, gravel, and even short grass. ARRMA really stepped up the durability game with a maintenance-free overload coupling transmission protector, meaning less time fixing and more time bashing. The high downforce wing keeps it stable at high speeds. Speaking of speed, this buggy can rip. It's ready for 2S LiPo power, which means more punch, better runtime, and insane performance. ARRMA packed this beast with Spectrum electronics. You're getting the SLT2 2.4 GHz transmitter, a 40 amp LiPo-ready speed controller, and the S661 waterproof Metal Gear servo for precise and responsive steering. ARRMA gave the TYPHON MEGA 665 a clipless body retention system, so no more losing body clips. And check out those bold factory finished colors. You can grab it in blue, yellow, or red for just under $260. And with ARRMA's 2-year limited warranty, you know you're getting a quality rig built to last. So, is the ARRMA TYPHON MEGA 665 worth it? Absolutely. It's an affordable way to step into 8th scale buggy bashing with power, durability, and upgradability, all packed into one beast of a buggy. If you're ready to send it, hit up the links in the description to grab your own, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite ARRMA RC? Let's chat. And don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more RC content every single week. Thanks for watching RRC Remote Adventures. I'll see you in the next one.